A Guide to College Scheduler. Fairleigh Dickinson University provides College Scheduler to all current students as a tool to plan upcoming semester schedules. After you complete a series of prompts to indicate the desired courses, College Scheduler removes the guesswork by searching for sections that fit your requests and avoids course overlap. Once you select one of the schedule options created, you can then print it to take to your academic advising appointment to complete the registration process. Please keep in mind that this is a planning tool and does not register you for courses. To get started, log into WebAdvisor using your NetID/FDU webmail address and password. Once in the main menu, click on the Students tab. Once in the Current Students menu, scroll down to the Registration section and click on Plan and Build a Course Schedule. From this screen, click on Schedule Planner. Please note that View Your Shopping Cart is currently an unavailable feature. In the next screen, select the term. Then, select your campus. Please select Petrocelli College UG courses only if you are enrolled in a Petrocelli College program that is housed in the EWC building on the Metropolitan campus. From the next screen, you can search by subject, instructor, course attribute, the number and title of the course, and section attribute. To search by subject, use the Subject and Course drop-down tabs to select the subject code and the course code. Once you have selected the course you would like to add to your schedule, click on Add Course. You can then repeat this process until you have added all the desired courses. Note that the courses you already added are listed on the right-hand side of the screen. You can also add Search Courses by Instructor, or you can search by Course Attribute, a requirement to take the course, and by Section Attribute, a restriction for a specific section of that course. From the screen shown above, you can also add breaks by selecting Add Break. In this screen, you can indicate times and days that you wish to not schedule courses. Once you have added all of your courses and breaks, click on Generate Schedules. Based on the courses you selected, multiple schedules are created. Click on View 1 to view the first schedule course scheduler created. The next screen will show the subject, course and specific section, as well as seats open, days and locations, campus and credits for each course. From this screen, you can also click on the Schedule 1 of 2 tab to advance to the next schedule option. Each schedule screen also shows the courses on a planning grid. For each course in the schedule, it is important to click on the blue circle button to view any prerequisites, co-requisites, or other restrictions. Once you have identified a course on the schedule that you would like to lock in, click on the lock icon. This is also a way to narrow down the number of schedules to review. After you have selected the schedule that best fits your needs, print the schedule and take it to your meeting with your academic advisor. Please remember that this is a planning tool and does not register you for courses.